There, welcome back to Marky RC. On the turntable there we have the Tamiya Super Sabre. Original release date 29th of October 1987 and was model number 58066. So this was the 66th RC car Tamiya built from the first run of 100 different cars. 1/10 scale self-assembly kit, 540 silver can motor, was 4-wheel drive. And the motor is mounted in the middle of the chassis to give good weight distribution from front and rear. You've also got closed gearboxes front and rear, and they're driven by a steel prop shaft that runs through the middle of the buggy. Double wishbone suspension on the front and on the back, and come with a forward and reverse 3-step mechanical speed controller with a BEC and resistor. Red CVA shocks, 1 on the front, 2 on the back. Took me absolutely ages trying to find a red front shock for this particular buggy. Then they've done the re-release and now there's loads of them about. Had oval block tyres on the front and rear. Quite a common Tamiya tyre on these particular runners, like the Super Shock style of buggy. Polycarbonate body shell. Came with plastic bushings in the kit, so I've upgraded them to ball races. Front and rear 3 beveled gear differentials, which are really strong, could take brushless no problem. Bathtub chassis with a 3-piece steering setup and tie rods. Front mounted anti-roll bar. The geometry on this car is fixed, so you can't really change toe in, toe out or anything like that. They're all as they are from Tamiya. Huge front bumper, so any crashes, hopefully it should stop the wheels hitting anything and getting caught up and broken. Tamiya's pepper pot wheel. I think it's a really smart wheel. They come in varying colours, gold, black, white, and so on. The Super Sabre has the same gearboxes as the Hot Shot series of buggies, just a different chassis, which makes it a lot easier to work on. They're really easy to put together. But you can't get many hop-ups for them. Well, not that I've seen anyway. I've done the ball races, well, bearings. So apart from maybe a hopped-up motor, maybe some different shocks. I love the body shell styling on this particular Super Sabre. I think it looks really sleek. And this is one of the only buggies where you can get all of these red parts that come on the Super Sabre. Before the re-release come out, they were really hard to get hold of. Love the buggy, really good runner. Front suspension's questionable, but the front anti-roll bar does help a little bit. So I'll pop the body off and I'll show you what the chassis looks like. We have the Super Sabre with the body taken off. As you can see, really strong looking buggy, really strong shock towers. You've got your mechanical speed control in there, the original chrome resistor. Battery slots in horizontally across the chassis to give good weight distribution. Even got its original ACOMS radio gear. And one of my favourite buggies out of my collection. I just think they look super cool. So I'll pop the body back on. Give it another couple spins on the turntable. We have the car with the body back on. I think the decals look cool. Driver figure, bright yellow crash helmets, just so he stands out a little bit more. Can't go wrong really with any of these Tamiya buggies. They are so well built and pretty much indestructible. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you could like and subscribe, it'd be cool for a new channel. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.